guys, so I wanted to hop on. I'm sorry it's been a minute since I've posted a new video. I have been sick, if you can't hear it in my voice. Probably sounds better, honestly. But today I'm super excited because I'm having one of my best sale weeks ever. So we are shipping out, here let me flip. Okay, so we are shipping out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. Woo-hoo! Sold some great shoes that have been in my shops forever. So bye-bye, Felicia. Going to your new home. We've got some great jewelry sales that I've been selling. My mom, she is also an eBay seller. She has been selling dog coats like crazy. I will link her eBay shop below so you can see and check out her dog coat. So if you need a dog coat, it is this season. So, and then we got like a little piece of regular mail. So we're gonna ship those off to the post office and we'll talk about some stuff. Hey guys, so I am back at my USPS kiosk today to give a better tutorial of how to scan your prepaid labels. So the last time I had to select other services, it is on the main menu now. So we're going to go ahead and scan our prepaid label since all of mine have that. Excuse me. Okay, and then here comes this warning. Just talking about, does your package contain any of these fragile, perishable, or potentially hazardous items that should not be mailed? So, prohibited and restricted. Now, none of my packages do, so I'm going to go ahead and click I can confirm. None of my packages not do that. Yep. Okay, and then article must be placed in the bin to be properly processed and receive the true acceptance scan. So after I scan it here, I'm going to put it in the bin and then they're going to scan it to take it to the hub. So let's begin. All right, so I'm on my first one. Okay, so it recognizes it. So did my first one, prepaid, and it has the town and the tracking number, which is great. The total, since I obviously paid for it. And then I'm gonna keep shopping since I have more packages to scan. And we do the process over again. Okay, so now that I have all of my items scanned, all of my packages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm gonna go ahead and click finish. Do you wanna print the receipt? I always like to print mine. And then I'll spit out, and then I'll put them in that bin there. Okay, so now the second thing I want to talk to you about now that we shipped our sales is getting your USPS free boxes and packaging early. So I am filming it. It is the 17th today of November. But definitely get your supplies in sooner. So, I love USPS. That's where I get a majority of them. I do get some like bubble mailers and stuff from Amazon for the size that I need for jewelry and small things that I sell. But the majority is coming from USPS, and they do have a mix of priority mail, flat rate, so whatever your needs are, more than likely they do have some sort of packaging to help fit. So let me show you how to do that. Again, try to do it before Thanksgiving if you can. Hopefully by the time I get this video out, there's still some time, a week or so left to order. Just beat the rush. Okay guys, so here is how we order the USPS shipping supplies. So I am at USPS.com and I'm on the mobile site obviously. So we're going to go right to our holiday supplies. They put it nice up at the top, but if you needed to do anything else, this is a great website to ship your labels, buy them. Okay, so I went to all of the results here, so it shows us everything. I personally order the priority mail. and a few flat rate depending on the apps that you sell on. For example, Poshmark does accept, we can use the priority mail label on a priority mail flat rate box. So just double check to make sure with your labels that you're sticking them on the right box otherwise, or asking your post office if you're not sure. So again, really easy to do. This is one of my favorite things. I had shipped out 3 pairs of shoes, so I definitely got more of these shoe boxes, and they're really good sized, and you can put more than just shoes, obviously. And again, it is priority mail, tracked and insured. You're paying for that insurance with that priority mail rate. And just to kind of show you, they come in packs of 10 or 25. I did order a couple 25s because I have a lot of shoes to sell. But yeah, so again, the price is absolutely free. So let's say I didn't place my order early. I'm just doing it now. You can select your quantity. Minimum is 1 pack. Let's pretend I want 2. So I put in my quantity. My price is 0. I'm clicking add to cart. Okay. We're going to keep shopping. And you can kind of go through there. So again, lots to see and choose from. Let's put one more item. And now there are things that do cost money. So like these Ready Post Bubble packing materials. This is $27 for a pack of 10. I'm only doing the freebies. Here, let's sort. Shipping supplies. Goes a little bit faster. So, like for example, priority mail flat rate small box. I do use that for some smaller jewelry items for Poshmark, since the label says that it can be shipped in any kind of container. Ooh, so things are selling down, because when I was on here last week, they had some more things. Let's go to priority mail directly. So here's all of our priority mail. So they have the tubes, 10 or 20. Okay, but you get the idea. So we have all of our items. So if I was ready to go, pack of 25, so I'm getting 2 of the 25. I haven't seen any coupons, but if you do happen to find them, that's always great. Go to checkout. And then you do have to create an account if you're new. You could check out as guest. I have an account. It's really easy. And then I can even see what I've purchased in the past. So like my most popular is kind of a quick order. Okay, and then once your order is placed, you will, they'll send you a receipt saying we've received your order. So like I said, things are selling out quick, so go ahead and try to get them. I was able to get all the items on my list, so it was the priority mail. Things like the shoe boxes, I got 2 packs of 25. The priority mailbox 1092. The 1095, so they're smaller kind of square box, rectangular boxes, little narrow, great for like clothing, things like that. And then some new items I've added, which I haven't in the past, is I believe this is a 6x6 box, priority mailbox 4, and then priority mailbox 7. It's a little bit big. So again, only cost me $0 and it gets shipped right to my door. So really easy. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. So do you guys want to hear something hilarious? So Of course, I have like shaky hand now. Now that I'm filming, hopefully my tutorial video looks okay at the end of this. But I had done one perfect take, no shaking, and I was about a minute in when I realized I wasn't recording. And it was so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. So also, my post office now knows that I am an aspiring YouTuber. After I was filming, I'm like looking for like the button. I'm like, where's the time? Oh my gosh, it's not on there. So you hear me go, oh crap, it didn't record. And the people who are processing the packages in the back just started laughing because they're listening to me. Like they know me when I go in. They know me by name. They're like, hey Ashley, how are you? Even if I have my mask on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I felt so silly. So I wanted to share that humor with you in case it's a little shaky. I'm sorry. I did a perfect take the first time. But bonus, I have a special guest of me, Miss Molly. Don't worry, we're in the garage, but the car's off. It's closed. Yeah. Say hello to the YouTube friends. Yeah, she's got her new coat on too. Because it's Minnesota. It snowed. I'm not loving it. But, all right. So, a little funny for now. Okay, well, until the next one.